Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see how to download the VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a hypervisor, type 2 hypervisor. And with the help of that, what we can do, we can create the virtual machine. So we will create the virtual machine by using Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So ISO file we have already downloaded. Now we will say download VirtualBox. This is a Oracle product. So you can go to this link. VirtualBox, you can install it on Windows, Mac operating system, Linux distribution, Sun Solaris, right? Any of this. So because I'm using Windows, so I'm following the instruction of this Windows host. So when you click on it, it will download the VirtualBox exe, which is not a big exe. So side by side, my Red Hat is also getting downloaded. So now I will pause the video and I will come back once it is downloaded. Okay, my VirtualBox exe is downloaded. Let me open this file. It will ask for the user to give the permission. So now you can see here, it is opening this wizard. So this is the setup wizard. Click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. So I need all these features. And this is the location. If you want to change the location, you can just change by clicking on this browse button. Next. Here, there is some warning related to the network interface. So at this moment, you can ignore it. And it will be created in the start menu, shortcut on the desktop, and in the quick launch bar and register files association. That's fine. Click on install. It will take some time to install it, and then we will see that how it looks like. And in next lecture, we will see that how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux by using this VirtualBox. Okay, so let it install. I am just pausing video. All right, so Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.6 is installed. If you have this start the VirtualBox, you can start it, finish, click on finish. So it will open the Red Hat, sorry, not Red Hat, Oracle VirtualBox. So it takes a little bit time when it is opening first time. And you can see this is our Oracle VirtualBox hypervisor. And we can create our machines by clicking on this new. In next lecture, we will see that how we can create Red Hat Enterprise Linux virtual machine. That's it for this video. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.